get you some of that. I hope we will not wake up. Ladies and gentlemen, the future icon of Magma. But it is much more relevant than that. It is the canvas for yet another motorsport project. We intend to develop the Magma GT as a customer racing program in the GT3 category. Usually we say, fasten your seatbelts, but tonight it's about tightening your racing harness.
Looking at the gentleman here, Andre and people, is this part of the plan? What are you doing? Gentlemen?
Oh my God, did they pay?
I don't know, they're not even reacting.
We need to produce more.
They're so focused on the car. I guess you have...
Well,
Yeah, all right.
well, Chris, I think we have the first customers already.
The first customers, and now you're going to have to produce that car faster. That's for sure.
Absolutely, we'll get it done. We'll get it done, for sure.